Well, made it down to church here. Uncle Tony did a nice job, even bare in some places, but it's very icy too. So I'll probably fall. Hopefully not. I did bring the car. I didn't feel like getting the truck running. I put the snowblower in the back of the car, the little snowblower. I'm gonna try to shovel some of the snow off the steps and stuff, and then I'll get the snowblower out, and then I'll blow that away then. So I don't know what I'm gonna do down there. I don't know. It's a hard thing to set up. There's a nail biter down there. I don't know what to do. Does a feller just say screw it? Because they decided to pile all their snow again over here. Do I just blow a trail and come right up here and blow this all back over there and make a pile? So I come down here and blow all this back on the ramp, come blow the ramp again, blow it back over on that side of the church property. What should I do, huh? I don't know. Then we'll just make a big pile back over there and Tony can take it away later. I'll have to shovel this ramp now, get the snow off of that. I got this all clear. It's not the biggest area, but a wheelchair would fit through there for now. So this whole thing is just ice where cars park over here. So now We only have over by the little door where we stack the tiles at, and we have the door, pastor's door. But that pile is getting big on that side. Just got done doing the snow, got the snowblower loaded back up in the trunk. I'm gonna take that home and put it in the garage. The battery went dead, so I just threw the camera in the car. I want to put a different battery in, so I just shoveled the last 2 doors and ready to go home now. So hopefully you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you in the future. And we're gonna have a giveaway coming up from Super Clean. So if you want me to do a giveaway, I'm thinking about doing it from Super Clean. So if you want stuff from them, put it down the bottom, like, let's do that giveaway. Yeah, buddy. Something like that. Yeah. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
How you doing? Are you trying to attack me?
Out, out. What you doing? We gotta get out of the car. We gotta get out of the car. No, we gotta get out. Come on. Come on. Get out. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh, okay. You go in. You go in. I'll get out. How's that sound?